How's the weather going to be, Chris?
And bouncing. Don't
And
forget,
bouncing.
I'll be bouncing. Can we even show that on television?
I don't know, actually.
We'll find out. We'll find out. Let's take a look at what's
My
going
cell
on.
phone's already ringing, actually.
Let's take a look at what's going on outside right now. Beautiful weather all day today. A little on the warmer side if you were hoping for that December chill. It's coming back, just maybe not in time for New Year's Eve. We'll talk about that in a second. Right now, 61 degrees with a dew point of 50. Still relatively dry air for us, although it has turned more humid over the weekend. Humidity right now at 67% and winds east-southeast at 5 miles an hour. We have seen over the last couple of days a bit more of a wind coming off of the Gulf. Not that we're tapping into very humid air, but anytime those winds change direction and come back off the Gulf waters, humidity immediately starts to rise. Today's high 72 degrees, above our average, but our morning low was chilly, 49 degrees. Had some 30s on the North Shore. Nobody freezing this morning, but tomorrow morning we'll be in the 40s and 50s. Nobody getting into the 30s overnight tonight. Temperatures are in the 50s and low 60s, so a little bit of a coolness to the air, but that warming trend will continue and turning more humid. Not as much Tuesday, but more so into Wednesday and especially Thursday. Thursday, we're also looking at some storms moving through. May even see some strong to severe. And then also with that chance of rain Thursday, that may linger into the night and we may have some rain at midnight 2021. Here's what's going on right now. Big upper level low out to our west. This is going to be the main energy with the system that will start to develop as it approaches southeast Louisiana. This upper level low is actually going to strengthen over North Texas, North Mexico, southern Texas, and that's going to develop a surface low kind of over the Gulf waters and move towards southeast Louisiana. But here's what's changed in the forecast over the last couple of days. Is that at one time it looked like this trough was going to move on through, bringing with it some very cold air. But now it looks like it's going to move to our north. What that means is, one, it may keep the real severe threat away from us. We'll still see what's going to be setting up. But what it's also going to do is keep the coldest of the air just to our west and north. So we're not going to get into the really colder air on Friday. That may not be until Saturday as another trough finally sweeps on through. But that energy with that system developing may produce some severe weather. Right now what we're looking at is maybe some spotty showers, still widely scattered during the day on Wednesday. Thursday, much more in terms of a chance of severe weather near this surface low. Now again, the surface low is going to stay off to our west, but we could see perhaps maybe a squall line develop ahead of the front as it does march on through during the day Thursday and into early Friday. By Friday, the front will be off to our east, but notice midnight, the model still has some kind of wraparound moisture and perhaps some lingering showers into the forecast area as we ring in the new year. That may be the case, and that's kind of what a lot of the models are saying right now. We finally start to clear out during the day on Friday and then probably get into a colder air mass as we head into the coming weekend. As I mentioned, there is going to be a severe risk of some weather, or a risk of some severe weather on into Thursday. Right now, we don't get that slight marginal enhanced type risk forecast just yet. This is still a little beyond the forecast from the Storm Prediction Center, but that will be something that will be highlighted as we go into the next couple of days. So as we're looking right now, about 60 degrees at midnight with some scattered rain, cool temperatures, and winds out of the southwest, maybe kind of breezy at around 8 to 15 miles an hour. So for tomorrow, still dry and not bad, 70 degrees. A little bit more humid, some spotty showers, more rain, maybe some storms on Thursday, continuing into early Friday. We cool down a bit on Friday, but then the colder air arrives for the weekend and into early next week.